Ladies and gentlemen, I have another satisfied customer from winterisemyyacht.com. We have Mr. Jenkins here today. So, Mr. Jenkins, could you share with the world your experience of winterisemyyacht.com?
Well, it was surprising how quickly the response was. I actually put in for this yesterday and got a call back yesterday. And today, surprisingly, they was out ready to do the renovarization for the boat. Explained everything to me. So, it's talking like things that I don't know, but they explained it well enough where I could understand it. Service is done, and hey, only thing I can say is, hey, I appreciate the fast service and thanks for the help and the learning experience.
Not a problem. Would you say it's safe to say that you would recommend Kompletely Kustom Marine and winterisemyyacht.com to a friend or a neighbor in need of such services?
100%, I recommend it. And from this point out, you guys are my go-to.
Well, we appreciate you as a customer, and we look forward to providing you with service for years to come. We thank you very much.
Thank you.